All right, oil on cement. Everybody has different things to use. Cat litter, cement cleaner, stain cleaner, all kinds of stuff. I'm going to show you what I use. I use AutoZone brake cleaner. Works out the best. This is actually power steering oil. It's the same thing, just leaked out of this truck. So what I do first is I'm going to dab it up first as much as I can. I try to do this with one hand. Alright. Pick up as much as you can while you can. Okay. Put it off to the side. Trusty brake cleaner. Don't be cheap. It's 26 degrees out here, guys. It's freaking freezing. Alright, don't be cheap with this brake cleaner. Only whatever. When they're on sale, it's 2 for $5, 2 for $6, I don't know. This towel. Of course, on this one, I'm going to clean up this chassis here with it. So I won't trip anymore. Okay, we're just going to let this dry a little bit. I don't have that time-lapse stuff, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause you guys for a little bit, and then we'll check it again. There you go. We're back. Look at that. Nice and clean. It's actually freaking cleaner than the rest of the spot that I have over here in my driveway. See it? Okie dokie. Nice cleaner, man. The whole thing is to catch it early. As soon as you see it, as soon as you see the mistake, solve it up. Brake cleaner. You got it. Enjoy.